Install Cash App and earn $15. Install PayPal app and earn $20. Install another app and get paid $30, and so on. You can download any kind of app you desire, including social media, learning, and gaming ones. Additionally, you will be paid up to $30 every time you install these apps, earning a daily income of up to $1,000 each day. Furthermore, I will give you a bonus website to earn 10 times more money than others if you use all 5 of the websites mentioned in this video, and stick around until the very end. This can be done from anywhere in the world and is operational in almost any country. All you need is a smartphone device with an internet connection. I will now move from the website that pays the least to the one that pays the most. First, before we proceed, welcome to my channel where I'll be showing you the various ways of making money online in the simplest ways possible. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up and turn the notifications bell on. Let's proceed now. AppKarma.io is the first app where you can get rewarded for downloading other apps. As a result, this is the AppKarma.io, but you may search the Google Play Store for simply AppKarma. Inside the dashboard of this app, you will be able to see all the other apps and games, and next to them you will see what percentage of points you'll earn once you install that specific app. So all you have to do is download the app and register for an account. You can download any of these apps from the list that you will have available. And as you can see, AppKarma will give you varying amounts of points for each of the various apps that you can download. For instance, clicking the install button on this one will pay you more than 1,400 points, and you can even delete it within a few minutes. They also have a variety of discounts you may take advantage of, but installing various apps is the simplest option because it only requires a click to install. You can choose to withdraw your money using PayPal or some gift card. If you're wondering how much it will cost you to earn at least $10 from this website, you would need 12,500 points, which would require you to install roughly 10 separate apps. When you stop to think about it, it really isn't a lot. All you have to do is click the install button. Once you have enough points to redeem $10 in PayPal, it will only take a few minutes and 10 repetitions of that process. The second platform is called ysense.com, and it offers a wide variety of online income opportunities. But as one of the simplest ways to generate money online, we will concentrate solely on app downloads today. They also engage with a lot of significant businesses. There are several ways to earn money here. So, one of them is simply downloading apps. You can view videos and earn money, among many other things. All you have to do is sign up to ysense.com, enter your email address, and create a unique password for your account. After that, simply click Join Now to gain access to all the available downloadable apps. You will be paid in cash each time you download an app. The fastest way to maximize your earnings with this website is through their referral program because they pay over 30% commissions for a lifetime. If you know anyone who enjoys earning money online, you can take advantage of this by grabbing your referral link for ysense.com and sending it to them. Additionally, you will receive 30% of their future earnings if they start to make money. The more people you refer, the more passive money you earn, so if they make $1,000 with ysense, you will receive $300 in pure passive income from just one referral. The third app is referred to as getpaidto.com. The great thing about this website is that you may earn money by downloading games to your smartphone. Therefore, it's probably something we all do on a daily basis, and you can now get paid to download and install games and programs that are completely free. You have a variety of earning opportunities options such as completing surveys, quick activities, and online offers. However, all of those will involve much more time and effort and just aren't as worthwhile as downloading apps because this only takes a few minutes and allows for instant payment. Therefore, head over to getpaidto.com, click on Join Free today, register for free, and start installing those games. You can cash out $1 by earning 5,000 points, which is to say in order to make $10, you would require 50,000 points to access this website. But don't worry, they pay significantly more points for each installed game and app. The best thing is that they offer a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, Skrill, cryptocurrency transfers for Bitcoin and Ethereum, various gift cards, and of course, PayPal money. Therefore, simply register yourself and begin making money. Now, PrizeRebel.com is the fourth platform to generate money by installing totally free programs. This is my favorite since you get paid right away and don't have to wait at all. Install just a few apps in 5 seconds, and you'll be paid right away. You can be paid by PayPal as well as other alternative payment options, such as a variety of gift cards like Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards. Additionally, it runs in the majority of countries, but you may verify this in your own nation by registering for free on this website. But anyway, you may start earning money right away by signing up for a free account and downloading a few apps. This website is used by more than 12 million individuals. Since 2007, they have paid out over $2.5 million in cash and incentives, proving that it is a good one because many people use it every day. It has received excellent evaluations on the website and has been reviewed by Survey Police and Trustpilot. You may view all of the testimonies from users who have been successful with Prize Rebels. To start generating a lot of money online, simply sign up for Prize Rebel using your Google or Facebook account. The fifth platform, which is currently featurepoints.com, is now known by that name. Just head over to the Google Play Store or App Store. Find this type of logo, look for Feature Points, then download the app on your device. However, if you choose not to use your smartphone for this, you may simply access their website using a laptop or a computer. Start by registering right now. You can make money with many earning alternatives on Feature Points, but installing apps is one of the greatest ones. Try out free applications and games to rack up points. In addition to paying the highest amount of money, Feature Points also give you access to select paid apps that you would otherwise have to purchase with actual money. This is why I truly enjoy using Feature Points. You will receive those apps for free from them. They will also pay you to install them. You only need to use the app for a short while to receive credit. And after a short while, you can deactivate the app permanently and keep your earnings. You will receive 10% of the lifetime passive income of anyone you introduce to our website in referral fees. And they do have personnel as well as a variety of other payment methods available globally. Simply visit featurepoints.com, sign up there for nothing, and you can start earning money. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a big thumbs up and turn on the notifications bell. See you in the next video.